Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by rigging the umbrella net and pole, secure the float and release line so the net opens reliably. Pick a spot with surface bait or feeding fish within casting range. That increases catch odds. Once loaded, practice a short controlled toss to deploy the net open above the water, then pull the release to sink perimeter weights. Make sure the floats keep the rim near the surface for an effective trap. After a successful cast, guide the net to surround the school by reeling in or rowing slowly. This prevents fish escape. Release the trigger when the rim lines the surface. Weights should sink evenly to close below the school. Once sinking, steady the pole to avoid tilting, which opens gaps. If fish try to escape, give small, rhythmic tugs to maintain closure. Be patient and watch splashes. Those indicate where to tighten or reposition. You finish by hauling the net steadily toward the boat or shore at one angle to protect mesh and keep fish contained. Lift smoothly and dump your catch into a live well or bucket. Quickly release non-target species to minimize harm. If the net snags, pause and free it before forceful pulls to prevent rips. And if the mechanism misfires, inspect knots, the release clip, and weight distribution. Make small adjustments and test with a dry cast before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.